Hello friends. If you're confused what to do with lot of moringa leaves from store or garden, here you go. I'm going to show two ways of storing moringa leaves for 1 year. Leaves will retain same color, taste and aroma. As you know, these leaves are nutrient-dense medicinal plant rich in antioxidants and vitamins. Look at the beautiful greenish color. You can use these leaves in dals, roti, moringa powder for idli, dosa, rice, etc. Let's get started. First and foremost, if separating leaves is too much time taking, we won't be interested anymore. So here is my easy trick. First take a moringa stem. Pull off each branch backwards. Now you will have all small branches of leaves. It's so much time consuming if you pluck each and every leaf one by one. Instead do the same trick. Pull off the leaves from backwards, holding the top edge. This way it gets super easy to separate out all the leaves faster. Now it's time to wash the leaves. Use a strainer to drain. There will still be excess water on the leaves. You can use either kitchen tissue or a cloth to wipe off once. From here on you can either shade dry or air fry the leaves, as there is no direct heat exposure, good for retaining all nutrients. Store the leaves in a Ziploc cover or container at room temperature. No need of storing in fridge. Let's see the first way. Shade dry. Take a tray or plate. Place a cloth. Spread the leaves on. Let it dry for 1 to 2 days depending on your room temperature. Make sure leaves are dried fully. Otherwise, even a little moisture on leaves will catch up mold upon storing. As you see, leaves have dried nicely. You can hear crunchy mashing sound. For me, it took 1.5 days. Now the leaves are ready to store. Let's see air frying, which is way faster method. Gets ready in 5 minutes only. Take an air fryer tray. Place the washed leaves. Spread them along. Insert tray into middle row of the air fryer. As these leaves are lighter in weight, you need to cover to avoid flying to the top. So place another tray or any mesh kind on top. Air fry at 300 Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. It's including 3 minutes of default preheating time. As you see, with mesh, leaves won't fly to the fan. Mix gently halfway. Leaves will be dried nicely in 5 minutes itself. If you feel leaves are not dry enough, leave them in hot air fryer for 5 minutes. Make sure the air fryer is turned off. Leaves will get dried fully. You can see how easy it is to dry moringa leaves in air fryer. Both ways leaves will be so colorful, full greenish with nice aroma. Store the moringa leaves and enjoy throughout the year. Hope you like my tips and tricks. See you again with many more amazing healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.